Hello everyone, welcome to Module 5, Learning Activity 1. In today's session, we will learn how to write an effective letter of request, a type of correspondence widely used in both academic and business settings.
A letter of request is written when you need important information or documents from a person, institution, or company. In academic contexts, you might request information about a master's program or scholarship requirements. In business contexts, companies write request letters to ask for catalogs, price lists, quotations, product specifications, samples, or to inquire about payment terms, partnerships, and service availability. Let's go through the essential parts of an effective request letter. 1. Sender's address and date. A formal letter begins with the sender's address placed on the top left corner. On the right side of the page, you write the date. This helps the recipient verify when the letter was issued, which is especially important in business documents that may involve transactions, deadlines, or contract timelines. 2. Opening salutation. A formal letter typically uses the greeting, "Dear." If you do not know the name of the recipient, use "Dear Sir," "Dear Madam," "Dear Sir or Madam." If you do know the name, write "Dear Mr. plus surname," "Dear Ms. plus surname." In business communication, addressing the correct person is important because it ensures the request reaches the appropriate department, such as sales, procurement, customer service, or human resources. 3. First paragraph, introducing yourself. The first paragraph gives essential information about who you are. Keep it short but clear. For academic purposes, you might write, "I am a third-year student of mechanical engineering at the University of Indonesia." In business contexts, you may introduce your company or role. "I am the procurement coordinator at Nexus Retail Group. Our firm, Astro Consult Limited, is currently reviewing potential suppliers for the upcoming quarter." This brief background helps the recipient understand the relevance of your request. 4. Stating the purpose of the letter. The core of the letter is a clear explanation of why you are writing. Useful expressions include, "I am writing to request information about." "I am writing to inquire whether your company provides." In academic settings, this may involve requesting admission requirements, course details, or application procedures. In business settings, common requests include catalogs or brochures, price lists or quotations, product demonstrations or samples, partnership or supplier information, payment terms or delivery schedules. A polite tone is essential. Use expressions such as, "I would be grateful if you could." "I would appreciate it if you could send me." These maintain professionalism and respect. 5. Making multiple requests. If you need more than one piece of information, connect them logically using "In addition, I would like to know." Furthermore, could you also provide details on? In business communication, this might look like, "In addition, please include your minimum order quantities and available discount schemes." This keeps the letter organized and easy to follow. 6. Thanking and closing the letter. Before closing your letter, thank the reader for their attention. Thank you in advance for your help. Thank you for your assistance. To end politely, use, "I look forward to hearing from you." "I look forward to receiving your response." In business correspondence, timely responses are important for planning, procurement, and sales decisions. Your closing depends on your greeting. If you used "Dear Sir, Madam," close with yours faithfully. If you used a name, close with yours sincerely. In American business style, alternatives such as "Best regards," "Regards," "Warm regards," are also acceptable, especially in email formats. 7. Signature. End the letter with your signature followed by your full name. In business letters, it is common to add your job title, department, and company name. Jonathan Cruz, Procurement Manager, Nexus Retail Group. This helps the recipient know exactly who to respond to. Closing. That concludes our discussion of request letters. Whether you're communicating in an academic or business environment, a well-structured and polite request letter helps you obtain accurate information, build positive relationships, and maintain professional credibility. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.